Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up Zepp Coach AI training plan on your AMAZFIT Active Max. So first, we want to open up the Zepp app. Now here in the Zepp, what are we going to do is we're going to go to Workout, and here go to My Training Plan, click Start a New Plan, and go to Customize a Plan. Now here we're going to click Start Now and choose a plan that we want. So it's either a running plan, which will enhance our performance, or enhance our overall fitness by using basic AI plan. And here what are we going to do is we're going to enter our weekly workout days. So here we can select, let's say, 4 workout days weekly, and average workout is between an hour and a half an hour. Pretty normal. And workout intensity, so we got the low, moderate, and high. So I consider myself a moderate. Now let's just click OK and go to next. Here we need to select at least 3 training days per week. So Monday, Wednesday, and Friday sounds good. Let's click OK. And here, high intensity training, we can click maybe later or schedule it. So I'll go over and schedule it to, let's say, let it be a couple of days. It's gonna be on the Wednesday. Now here we go over and click done. Here we have the plan. As you guys can see, we have to wear the device. Here we can view the details of the plan, and the start time is the 21st of January. So we got ourselves the plan, as you guys can see. And here, what can we do? We can go over to plan settings. We can change everything here. Also, we can do the terminate plan. So this will delete our plan completely, so it will be gone. And here, training device, we can select another device if you have more than one watch, for an example. So this is our plan. Now I'll show you how it looks like inside. So here we have the today's plan. Now we got 0% out of 100, and here we have the low intensity training, so our average BPM and estimated duration. Now here we have this week's completion, so we see how many days a week we actually completed in 100%, and that's how our plan works. So more of it is on our watch, but it has to be used from here. So now we got our plan. As you guys can see, it will count everything today, like our even running or anything, and that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.